Do subscribe my channel, never miss my updates. Raghu Neat Tutorial.
Hi, welcome to all. Welcome to my channel Raghu Neat Tutorial. Today we are discussing about one of the special hormones. What are they? Gastrointestinal hormones. These hormones are completely present in gastric region. So these hormones are called as a local hormones. Why these are called as a local hormones? Why? Because these glands are located, it is an upon gastric region. Nothing but it is only present on gastric region. So these are not a glands. These are not a glands. So these hormones are secreted by one of the special cells. That cells are called as a gastric cells. We know that what is the hormones? The hormones are secreted by the one of the glands. The glands are secretion of the hormones into bloodstream. When the blood is transporting into the hormone in a particular cell, what is the organ of the body. So these are actioning on that particular organ and stimulation. But in this special condition, in this special case, these hormones are completely presence in cell, presence in gastric region and secreted from the cells. So these are known as a local hormone. Why these are called as a local hormone? These hormones are completely upon a particular organ. Completely upon a particular organ. So particular organ means these are completely upon gut region, nothing but stomach region. So these hormones are called as a gastrointestinal hormones or local hormones. These are commonly called as a local hormones. Why? Because these are completely secretion from the cells, not a glands. These hormones are secreted from the cells to what is that? Alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, nothing but gastro or gastro, nothing but stomach, gastro and intestinal region. Intestinal region. These cells are upon particular gastric and intestinal region and secretion of the hormones through the cells. Okay, so these are called as a special hormone known as a gastrointestinal hormone is called as a local hormones. These hormones are useful for regulation of gastric movements and useful for the metabolic activities known as a digestion. They are useful for proper digestion. And stimulation and inhibition of gastric and intestinal regions or intestinal parts. So in the gastrointestinal hormones, completely there is a 8 gastrointestinal hormones are there. How many? 8 gastrointestinal hormones are there. First one, there is a 8 gastrointestinal hormones are present in complete gastric and stomach and intestinal region. 8. What are they? We are discussing one by one. First one, gastrin hormone. First one is known as a gastrin. Hormone is known as a gastrin. Secretes from, it is secreted which cells? The G cells. G cells are argentifying cells. G cells are argentifying cells of pyloric region. In the chemical composition, what is that? Gastrin, it is one of the hormone. It is secretes from the G cells are argentifying cells of the pyloric region. The chemical composition, hormone, cells, chemical composition. Chemical composition is all hormones are made up of proteins, nothing but it is made up of polypeptides. Okay, next one. That is the function. The function of gastrin hormone. The function of gastrin hormone, the gastrin hormone is majorly increasing of HCl secretion. It is increasing increasing HCl secretion in stomach or nothing but gastric. First one in the, what is that? Increasing of HCl secretion in gastric. Second one is the increasing of pepsin and pepsinogen. Pepsin and pepsinogen secretion. Pepsin and pepsinogen secretion, and as well as it is regulates the movement of stomach. It is regulates the movement of stomach. It is regulates the movement of stomach. So first one is a gastrin hormone. The second one is known as secretin. Second one is known as secretin. The second one is secreted by the Hess cells. Which cells? Hess cells in duodenum region. The mucosa of duodenum or duodenum region. Mucosa of duodenum region. So these are also chemical composition of the serotonin. What is that? Secretin as a polypeptides. Polypeptides. What is the function of secretin? It is completely regulates bicarbonate secretion and what is that? Bile secretes. Completely regulates bile secretion, regulation of bile secretion, and it is regulates bicarbonate secretion. Bicarbonate secretion. Third gland is known as a CCK or cholecystokinin. Third gland is known as a CCK or called as a cholecystokinin. This cholecystokinin is located in the mucosa of duodenum. Located in mucosa of duodenum. So the chemical composition same, the polypeptides. What is the function of the cholecystokinin? The cholecystokines are located in the mucosa of duodenum. The function of the cholecystokinin is it is completely stimulation of gallbladder, and secretion of what is the bile juices. It is regulates sphincters of OD. First one is completely stimulation of gallbladder. Stimulation of gallbladder for the gallbladder secretion. And next one, it is regulates. It is that sphincters of Oddi. What is the sphincter of Oddi? Hepatopancreatic duct is connected with the duodenum region. In between of one of the sphincter is present, that is known as sphincter of Oddi. It is examination point of view, very important in examination point of view. We are already discussing. This is the third one is completed. So the fourth one is known as a villikinin. Which one? Villikinin. The fourth one is known as a villikinin. The villikinin, it is located in the small intestine region. Small intestine. The villikinin is located in small intestine. It is also have polypeptide chain. Polypeptides. What is the function of the villikinin? The villikinins are completely useful for the increasing the surface area, absorption surface area. It is increasing absorption surface area on small intestine. Absorption surface area. These are fourth one. Fifth one is diocrinin. The diocrinin, it is located. The diocrinin is located in duodenum, the mucosa of duodenum. The mucosa of duodenum. It is also have a chemical formula. Chemical composition is polypeptide. It regulates stimulation of Brunner glands. Stimulation of Brunner glands. Where it is located? These are located in the small intestine region. What is the crypts of Limburger and Brunner glands are secretion of enterokinase. Enterokinase nothing but gastric juice. Next one, sixth one, enterokinin. Next one, enterokinin. This enterokinin presence in small intestine region. It is located in small intestine region. These also have a chemical formula of the polypeptides. Stimulates Lieberkühns of enzymes. Stimulates the Lieberkühns. Where is the Lieberkühn? Crypts of Limburger and as well as Brunner glands. These are enterokinase stimulation of Lieberkühns. Duodenum, it is what is that? Diokinin secretion of Brunner's glands. Seventh one, the branchiokinin or branchiozymin. Branchiokinin or branchiozymin. These are present in small what is that? Duodenum region, mucosa of duodenum. Same chemical formula of polypeptides. It is stimulation of bronchios gland secretion of bronchiatic juices. The last one is eighth one, gastrin. Last one is enterogastrin. Enterogastrin. It is a secretion. It is located in small intestine. Small intestine secretion of again chemical composition polypeptides. What is the function? Increasing gastric juices and regulates gastric movement. Nothing but gas means stomach. Gastric movement. This is the complete information about the gastrointestinal hormone. This is commonly called local hormone. Thank you.